Wish that I could find the words to describe you now.
Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Shea and thank you so much for clicking this video. I know it's echoing and I am starting this video in a very weird way because I am in a dressing gown. I am in the bathroom, but it is because of the nature of the video that I am about to do, and today we are going to be doing a DIY facial at home. I hope you guys enjoy this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Sometimes I love doing DIY facials at home, so that is what I'm going to be doing today. And if you enjoy this kind of content, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that you can join the family. But before I remove my makeup, I'm just going to take something and cover my hair. Just to remove my hair from my face. The mirror is right here, guys, so do not be surprised at what is she looking at. I'm looking at the mirror. The mirror is right here. So my hair is out of the way. Let me sit you guys over here. Before I start, I'll clean my hands using this hand wash. Do not touch your face with dirty hands. My hands are super clean now. I will take my wipes. And my micellar water. Give it a good shake. I forgot to remove my ring, my nose ring.
I could make you see how you fit me perfect.
This is very dirty, as you can see, so I'll get a new one.
We've been through it all. You're the one who wonders.
For my lips, I'm going to use a Rimmy's first because I have matte lipstick and it's so hard to get rid of that.
The one to make things right, and I fall for you again. We've been through it all.
A Rimmy's wax. So I'll go ahead and grab my razor and I'm just going to do a hair removal.
And I fall for you again. We've been through it all. You're the one who understands.
Now I am going to cleanse my face using these Mentholatum Acne creamy wash. So this is good for acne, and my spin brush.
Wish that I could find the words to describe you now, as I'm lying next to you. You see how you fit me perfectly, and I fall for for you again. We've been through it all. You're the one who understands.
The water is really hot right now, so I'm just gonna put it in a small basin and steam my face. I'll cover my head with this.
Tells me how to breathe. Wish that I could make you see how you fit me perfectly, and I fall for you. We've been through it all. You're the one who
I think that's enough. So now I'm gonna take my mask from Garnier Skin Active 3-in-1, and I just want to mask. It is a wash, scrub and a mask, but I only want to mask, and I have a brush here, so let's go ahead and put on this mask.
and I fall for you again. We've been through it all. You're the one who understands.
As I wait for my mask to dry, I'll go ahead and do a lip scrub. This is a lip scrub that I've just made using some sugar and a bit of almond oil, sweet almond oil.
And I fall.
So I put it here because I don't have those cosmetic containers, but this will serve even better. I love this so much. This is how my engagement ring was packed when it came. I really love it, and you know, now there is nothing else I can use this container for, but I really love it so much because it's my engagement ring, you know, it's how it was packed and it is customized, and it just looks like one of those cosmetic jars. It is written, "Marilyn, will you marry me?" You can't see it, but I'll show it to you. So this is where I put, it's wooden, and this is where I put my lip scrub, my DIY lip scrub.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace.
So I've just removed that mask, and my face feels good and my lips are so soft. That DIY scrub is the best. So now I'm just going to do a sheet mask using this Hydrolat Tea Tree Acne Treatment Mask that I got from Miniso at a very fair price.
Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you.
I'm going to remove it now, and then I will massage what is left on my face.
Lie like a rat, but take your stuff back, baby.
That's it. Now I will go in with my toner from Garnier Skin Active Even and Matte.
What did you think?
And now I will moisturize my face using this Shea Butter Face and Body Cream from Dew Point Naturals. You guys already know that this is what I use.
Man, you're so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you. You stole your peace. please put it on me.
After moisturizing, I am going to massage my face using this spin again. So I'm just going, I changed it because you can remember I used this one to exfoliate my skin. This is a brush, but now this one is a massager. If you do not have this, I will put a picture somewhere on the screen so that you guys can see what you can use if your spin brush did not come with this. Mine came together with this. So yeah, I'm just going to massage my face with this.
If I control the weather, then every day would rain on your parade. Shine you can't chase, yeah.
I will moisturize my lips using this Carmex Cherry Carmex.
So I never saw your face. Hey, please.
And this will be the end of today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed my DIY at home facial. If you did, please give this video a very big thumbs up. It's time to go to bed now and I'm feeling so good. So I'll catch up with you on my next video. Until next time, bye guys. I love you.